Hey everybody, Ali Flores here again with Orlando Vacations, and it's March. What are we going to do in March in Orlando? Well, I'm going to tell you. One of the first things you need to know about March, it's going to get a little bit busier, okay? Towards the end of March, we start going into spring break season, which means all the kids are getting vacations and they're all coming to Orlando. The weather is still very nice, so they're all coming. So what you want to do is come here in the beginning of March. Still nice weather, less people. Speaking of the weather, yes, it does get a little bit warmer. You're talking about mid-70s during the day, 50s at night. But that doesn't mean we can't get that occasional cold front. Might get a little chilly at night, so you might want to bring a jacket or something like that. Also, rain. Yes, because we were getting into spring, of course we're going to get some more showers. I know those are mostly afternoon showers, and they only last a little bit. So that's always a nice time to duck into one of the restaurants, get some food, jump on your favorite ride, or just, go shopping. Get some souvenirs at that point, okay? So, let's dive into what to do in Orlando in March. Before we do that, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit that notifications bell. I want to make sure you get notified every time we get a new video uploaded. All right, let's get to March. Let's go to Epcot. I love Epcot. It's probably one of my favorite parks. Out of all four of them, it's one of them. So, Flower and Garden Festival is at Epcot. Oh, love this festival. They have amazing, just gardens there. They've all the topiaries. The care and craftsmanship that goes into this is mind-boggling. I mean, you're going to want to bring your camera, or if you're not from 1980, get your cell phone out and take pictures, tons of pictures. It's gorgeous. Now, another favorite thing to do inside the Flower and Garden Festival is the Butterfly House. Love the Butterfly House. Now, it's not a house shaped like a butterfly. It's actually a big, giant little tent, like a little greenhouse full of butterflies, all different types of butterflies. You can walk around and they're flying all over the place. You also see the little chrysalis where they're turning into butterflies. They're little cocoons. It is so cool. If you got little ones, definitely take them inside there. Now, let's jump over to Universal. We still got Mardi Gras going. Yes, Mardi Gras. We still got the bands, the live music, the food, the drinks, the good times at Universal Orlando. Let's go to SeaWorld. We still got that Seven Seas Food Festival, okay? You can still get all the great food. They have great bands, but those are on select days, okay? Now, you're done with the parks. You're like, what else can we do in March? You can take about an hour drive west of Orlando, southwest of Orlando. You go to the Strawberry Festival. It's in Plant City. I'm going to tell you right now, that's probably what I missed the most during the pandemic, is because things had to shut down. Strawberry Festival. Now, it's not just strawberries. It's a giant fair. You go to the fair, you ride the rides, you eat the food, but the strawberries are top notch. If you love strawberry shortcake, oh my goodness. There isn't, I can't even talk about how good the strawberry shortcake is at the Strawberry Festival. Say you don't want to drive an hour. We have something right here in Orlando as well in March. We have the Central Florida Fair. It's a huge fair. Rides, you've got your food, your elephant ear, and it's in Central Florida, so anything that we can deep fry, you can find it at the Central Florida Fair. Deep fried Oreos, deep fried ice cream, deep fried deep fryers, anything, seriously, all kinds of deep fried stuff. It's so good. I mean, it's so bad, but it's so good. Go to the Central Florida Fair. All right, let's figure out what we need to pack. If you saw our February episode, it's pretty much the same. You want to bring your swimsuits, okay? It is starting to get warmer, so bring your swimsuits. Have a good time. Mid-70s is perfect for going to the beach. You're right here in Central Florida. You're about an hour from either coast. It's amazing. If it does get a little chilly, remember, most hotels have a heated pool. Now, you do want to bring your jackets if you can. It does get a little chilly. Like I said, about 54 degrees at night. So bring your jackets if you're going to be going out to Disney Springs or City Walk, or just enjoying any of the nightlife we have here in Orlando. Comfy shoes. That's going to be every month. Always bring comfy shoes. Also, bring closed-toed shoes. If you're going to the Strawberry Festival, if you're going to the Central Florida Fair, It's not like Disney or Universal or SeaWorld where everything is paved. You're going to be on some dirt roads, dirt or grass grounds. So you want to make sure you're wearing closed-toed shoes. We're getting into spring, which means the rain is coming. So ponchos, umbrellas are a must. We're going to get a lot more rain this time than you had in February. Keep those blankets coming. And this is something I actually like to do whenever I go on vacation, visit, staying in a resort or hotels. If you think it'll make you feel more rested, bring some blankets, bring your favorite pillow. Anything like that is going to make your stay a little bit more comfortable, because the more rest you get, the more fun you can have throughout the day. And as always, it's Florida. We have that sun. They call us the Sunshine State for a reason. Bring your sunblock. Very important. All right, that about does it for this episode of Things to Do in Orlando in March. As always, go to OrlandoVacations.com so you can get more tips and tricks on how to make your Orlando vacation that much better. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notifications button so that you are notified when our next video comes up. All right, thanks again for watching. You guys have a great time.